This Ryobi 1 Plus brushless angle grinder with a 125mm grinding disc is ideal for a variety of applications. Some examples include cutting and grinding metals, sharpening blades, shaping stones or paving, removing rust and rough paint on metals, and even polishing, all with the freedom of cordless. Ryobi's brushless technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium-plus battery technology to deliver up to 30% more power and runtime. This means, as well as metal cutting, you can now complete a wider range of applications, including grinding metal, rust removal, and even working with masonry. It features a 3-position handle for better control when grinding or cutting, and a toolless, easy-fix nut. And wheel guard, which makes setting up the tool quick and easy. It has a sliding lock-on switch, so you don't have to constantly squeeze a trigger. And it includes one metal grinding disc as standard. This brushless angle grinder also includes anti-kickback technology for safety, which will automatically shut down the motor when a jam is detected, ensuring you don't lose control of the tool. With a 5 amp-hour lithium-plus battery, you can make up to 80 cuts through 13mm metal pipes. The brushless angle grinder is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1 Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1 Plus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this 18-volt brushless grinder will work with any 1 Plus battery.
Looking for a grinder that can deliver more power and performance without the hassles of a cord? Look no further than the new 18-volt LXT brushless 4.5-inch cut-off angle grinder. The new XAG03M features automatic speed change technology, which is engineered to adjust speed and torque during grinding or cutting applications for optimum performance, even under heavy load. In addition, the efficient brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer runtime per charge than similar non-brushless tools. The efficient Makita brushless motor delivers 8,500 RPM for faster grinding, with soft start to suppress startup reaction for smooth startups and longer gear life. Convenience features include a slide switch with lock-on, a rubberized soft grip, and a 3-stage LED gauge to indicate battery charge level. You also get a compact and ergonomic design for superior balance and comfort. The hard-working XAG03M is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. The new Makita 18-volt LXT brushless angle grinder is a true cordless replacement for corded grinders on the job site.
Compared to other plug-in style grinders, the cordless grinder, it matches, power and torque, and it gives you the freedom to pretty much go anywhere on the job site and have the same, reliability, power, and torque that plug-in grinders have. This is by far the best grinder I have used thus far in the 18 years that I've been doing this type of stuff.